if you're watching this right now, this message didn't find you by accident. This reading is for those stuck in a situationship, yung parang walang label, pero alam mong may lalim yung connection, alam mo na may soul connection ka dito sa tao na to, pero hindi nyo mabigyan to ng label, or baka siya, hindi niya pa kayang magbigay ng label. Let's see what the Wheel of Fortune wants you to know today. Okay, so let's have your second card. You have the Ace of Wands in reverse. Okay, so this card, with the Wheel of Fortune, sinasabi dito na meron kayong divine timing pero hindi pa nangyayari. So, there will be a sudden shift and karmic cycles in the next few months. Sinasabi dito na yung situationship nyo, it didn't happen randomly. You and this person were meant to cross paths, not to stay confused forever. So, hindi kayo nasa sitwasyon na ganyan, but to learn something na meron lang kayong kailangan matutunan about love. And sinasabi rin dito na kailangan mo rin matutunan yung patience and right timing. So, right now, the energy shows na paikot-ikot yung sitwasyon with the Wheel of Fortune. And the Seven of Swords, parang nagdududa ka na. And gusto mo nang bumitaw. Nakikita ko rin dito na parehas kayong nag-aalala kung saan to patungo. Pareho kayong naghihintay ng sign, pareho kayong umaasa na may magbabago, pero walang gustong maunang kumilos. Nararamdaman mo siya, nararamdaman ka niya, pero wala talagang gustong kumilos na mauna. Though, may nakikita ko dito nagpaparamdam ka, pero very indirect. Okay, so we have the Knight of Pentacles as your fourth card, and sabi dito, the person feels like, what if siya talaga, pero hindi pa ngayon. Nakikita ka na niya as someone na stable, or ikaw na yung tamang tao para sa kanya, pero hindi pa siya ready sa ngayon, and feeling niya yung timing ang kalaban dito. May takot siyang mawala ka, gusto kanya niyang ikulong dun sa relasyon, or gusto niya nang bigyan ng label yung relasyon nyo. Pero takot din siya na mag-commit sa ngayon kasi feeling niya hindi niya ma-handle ng maayos. Pero with the Wheel of Fortune, sinasabi dito, it's not forever like that. Malapit na yung pagbabago. And ina-advise sa'yo ng cards dito na either aakyat yung connection nyo, magbabago siya, mag-shift, or tuluyang iikot lang. Parang paikot-ikot lang kayo. So, things will happen. I feel like